the new tutorial. Till now we have prepared this dashboard, right? But I have not provided the solution of these two columns. So let us see the solution. I have taken these two things as a assignment. Hope you are able to do this thing. But if not, then right now we are going to see what is the solution and how we can calculate this thing. So right now, first of all, I have deleted these extra two rows by pressing Ctrl- key. And I am increasing this page height so that this can be easily visible, right? So task completed on time. That means that how many tasks are completed before the target date we want to calculate, right? So under the sheet 1, which are the years, under L column, which are the values years, it will give us the value which are completed on time. And which are the value which is no, we can consider it as a which they are not completed on time. So how we will calculate? Just pressing F2, you can see this equation. So Countif exact equation like this, but over here we have to use this yes, and to calculate we have to use this no. But you may surprise that total number of tasks completed on time and not completed on time is 149, and our completed tasks are 138 only. That means that there is some error, but you may surprise that completed task 138 and closed task, these two totals will give us some 149. Understand? So this is 149 and this also 149. So our value is matched rightly. Right now for calculating this percentage value, you have to do D10, that means a D column 10 row divided by summation of these two things. We have to log this thing to apply this same equation to the downward. So when we do copy paste to this equation, D10 will be replaced with D11. That means that this value will be changed and denominator will be remain same. That's why we have used this dollar sign. So hope you understand this thing. And just I have provided the solution of the question of our last lecture. In the next lecture, we are going to develop this pie chart for attractive and clear indication that how we are going to move this thing. So see you soon. Bye bye. Try yourself and practice it as much as you can. Still, if you have any query, just ask me in question answer session.